Country people, I throw salute to na una Ikuna man, na una Bamenda man, na una Ngi man, na una Bakuri man, and na una Anglophone brother. Something dey happen for the country. And I want to talk again for Palawa that ball, that number. Now news now, where they all place now. Because since we eto'o win president for fecafoot, for association where they take care for Ndamba for Cameroon, na debate, na coach, na explanation, na criticisms, any man they talk his own, people in the way they go left, one in the way they go right. So one in the way they pay them directly, not be we talk how we feel, and we observe since long time how that thing function. The Ndamba problem, the Ndamba matter, na over the day inside. The people there, their own interest na only mburu, and then they know they pay safe their footballer. Now, president for some association for referee for Cameroon, if we talk 70, he say from Monday, that say the Monday we pass through, no referee no go blow no match for fecafoot, no go blow no match. Woman football, man football, they boycott them. The man name na Alim Sidi, president for that association. Obidi talk say okay, we wait for Siam. How the thing go pass? Whether referee they no go enter for blue match or referee they go blue match. Now when is Wednesday, what happen? Cotton Sport began to play against Aigle for Mongo, the Eagles and for Mongo. One see image them referee the day for stadium, sorry. Referee they blow that match. Referee they don't blow that match. How una fit talk say referee they no go blow some match? Say una don't boycott, una dey for una the contest, una they need to pay with them salary, this and that, their money since 3 years, they never give them their mburu. Say now so they no go blow, they go for strike. And then the same referee them where you talk say you defend them, they go for fee for go blue match. The question where I ask them, na say if na say no na you be the matter, wait to be the matter. Because if na look and find that president for that association where talk say they want boycott fecafoot football, any ball when na fecafoot the manager, surely that people where they do politics, they don't enter for it. They say me use the association too for make us so because we don't try the one with football, we don't try with the club where they run, the other club don't run, nothing no happen, the other club they no follow. He talk say he write long books for fecafoot no gérer them. Say fecafoot no gérer. If fecafoot no gérer una, I mean so una no dey important. Because if the association be an important association, the habit the way they go for that match, you know for go. Because if you not get association, you be president of association, before you want to take decision, not be the consult all member them. You see them for no whether this way they want to take us so whether all man they okay. But if people they know they okay, and they want to take the decision, now they take a decision now how? Under who? Because the people they say the defender now arbitrate them. So if you want to defend arbitrate them say they not deal with you. You be now how? No be shame go hold you, director go hold you. Now so but for tell una truth, if they know the pay, because something carriage now no know the truth for the matter whether they pay or they know the pay. Fecafoot know the talk, no referee way they action know the talk. Now president for some association we know they active for fee, now they talk am. If the truth, now the truth they go come out. But if na say na only that people they want to do politics because of Palava Mburu, then at the same schema where they want to take up. Referee they don't go there for fee. Referee they don't arbitrate their match them. Countryman, una say it worry for the country. Bye bye.